Hi, Kurtz here for Easy Access Math, and today I have another lesson for you on functions. Now, remember we said earlier, functions is a question that you use substitution, but remember, in functions, you're not substituting any of the choices. You're substituting the number given to you in the question. That's a detail you must remember. There are some questions and problems on the exam that you will get that I advise you to use substitution with the choices. But in functions, you're not using your choices, you're substituting the number given to you in the question. And a substitution question will tell you to evaluate a function, and here g, it could be f or g, g7 for gz. This is the number you're substituting, the one that's given to you in the problem. Okay, now that we're clear on functions and what you're substituting, remember the number given to you in the function, let's take a look at this function here for g7. For GC, you're going to evaluate, and the statement, the binomial, the expression, 2z squared plus 3z. And that means anywhere in this expression I see a z, I'm going to substitute what I was told to in the question, the 7. Remember, not the choices. The 7 here will substitute for z anywhere the z appears in this expression. So I'll rewrite it as 2, make a space, put the exponent, plus 3, and make a space in a parenthesis to put the number to substitute for the z, which we said is 7, that was given to us. And so I have 2 times 7 squared plus 3 times 7. And now I work it out using the rules of the order of operation and sign numbers. You have to keep those rules in mind. Multiplying sign numbers, adding, subtracting sign numbers, they will be very important. So you want to be careful. You want to review those rules and, of course, the rules for order of operation. Very important here in evaluating a function problem. So, order of operation says I do the exponent first. I got 49 over here, plus 3 times 7. I did my exponent first. Next, I do multiplication. I have 98, 2 times 49. And I do multiplication next, all the multiplications according to the rules of order of operations. 21 and 98 plus 21 would be 119. And that is my answer. So it equals 119 when I evaluate it, substituting the number I'm given in the problem. Remember that. So previously I had shown you problems that you could substitute the choices, but that's not done in functions. You don't use your choices in functions. You substitute what's given to you in the question, in the problem itself. I substituted the 7 given to me, and the choice that's 119, and that will be one of the choices because that's the correct answer. That would be your answer, but you wouldn't, in solving it, ever plug in the 119. That you would arrive at by substituting the 7 given to you in the problem. And that's how we do functions, which is question number 19 on tests A and B, or question 29 on sample exam Q. And we worked out a sample function here as well that you could look at. So give it a try, take a look at those sample exams, and good luck.